Hello and welcome to HW News. Shiv Sena MLA Pratap Sarnaik's residence and office were raided by Enforcement Directorate officials today morning in connection with a money laundering probe. A statement from the ED director said that searches were underway at 10 locations in Thane and Mumbai at properties owned by promoters of Tops Group, which runs a security services company. The office of Sarnaik's son was also a target of the ED raids. Sarnaik is Shiv Sena MLA who represents the Ola Majivada constituency in Thane. He was out of Mumbai when the ED raid took place. In his absence, the Enforcement Directorate arrested his son Vihang Sarnaik and took him to Enforcement Directorate headquarters for questioning. Meanwhile, as per the information received, Pratap Sarnaik has just arrived in Mumbai and he has gone to meet Sanjay Raut. The ED action comes days after the IT notices to some prominent leaders of the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government, including Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, his son Aditya Thackeray, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, etc. Meanwhile, Sena spokesperson Priyanka Chaturvedi accused the centre of misusing the central agencies to silence the opponents. ED is reduced to only enforcing centre's whims and fancies. Our resolve to fight back only gets stronger. Bring it on, she tweeted. The ED's raids on properties of party MLA Pratap Sarnaik is a political vendetta, and Maharashtra government or its leaders will not surrender to pressure from anyone. This is what Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut said. Well, Raut, while talking to reporters without naming the BJP, also said that it should forget the dream of coming to power in Maharashtra for the next 25 years, no matter how much pressure it exerts or spreads terror through the agencies. He said, if you have begun today, we know how to end it. On the other hand, former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that Sarnaik need not fear if he hasn't done anything wrong. It is interesting to note that Pratap Sarnaik was the one who pursued the case of Anvay Naik's suicide against Republic TV founder and editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami, and he was also the one who moved the breach of privilege motion in the Maharashtra Assembly against Arnab Goswami. Moreover, he had also asked to charge Kangana Ranawat under sedition for her comments on Mumbai, calling it a POK. Well, this definitely is going to be latest reason for showdown between the Maharashtra government and the centre. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.